Hello, class of 2023. Guess what time it is? It's registration time. I'm here to share some very important information with you. My name is Miss McAdoo, and I'm one of 6 counselors here at Centennial that's going to help you with the registration process. It's much different than last year, so pay very close attention. So without further ado, let's begin. On our webpage, you're going to go to the Guidance tab, and you're going to hover there and scroll down to Guidance Home. Guidance Home will bring you here. On this page, you'll see a list of all of the school counselors. Included are our names, the alphabet we work with, our duties, our phone numbers, and our email addresses. You will then look over here to the right. You will see the link for your registration page. Be sure to click the right page, which should say Rising Juniors, Rising 11th Graders. And when you click that link, it will take you to the page. The page should look like this. Confirmation would be 11th grade registration. On this page, you will also see the link to our curriculum guide. Clicking that link will take you here. This guide will be very instrumental in helping you select your classes. Curriculum guide highlights. These are some of the highlights in the curriculum guide we want you to pay close attention to. Your graduation requirements inside. We have the diploma designations, and it's not too late to earn your diploma designations. We have information about ACE, dual enrollment, AP. These are all college level courses. Please take advantage of these opportunities as well. We also have information about our Career Academy programs, and Centennial has 6 of them. This slide, review of graduation requirements. Graduation requirements have 3 main components: credits, GPA, and test scores. 24 credits, a minimum 2 cumulative GPA, 2 standardized tests, your 10th grade reading test and your Algebra 1 EOC. There's also an online class that's required. No worries about this one. You'll get this taken care of through your economics with financial literacy that you'll take your senior year. These are our 2 diploma tracks, 24 credit and 18 credit. Accelerated courses, ACE, dual enrollment, and AP. ACE has application requirement, dual enrollment has requirements as well, 3.0 GPA as well as qualifying test scores, which are PERT scores. AP, teacher recommendation. Remember, if you request any of these classes and are approved to take these classes, counselors cannot remove you from these classes. We cannot drop them from your schedule. More information about the ACE program. All the courses are categorized. Students have to take 1 course in each category with a total of 7 within 3 years. Earning the ACE diploma can earn you the Florida Academic Scholarship. The only extra thing you have to do is earn your 100 hours of community service. Choosing your electives. Centennial offers many electives, and you'll see when we get ready to do the registration that some have special notes, meaning there's auditions, there are prerequisites, there are applications. Options for making up failed classes. If you have failed a class in the previous years, you can take these classes over to recoup the credit and also improve your GPA. You can take these credits through Edgenuity, and you can do that during the school day or after school. And you can also take classes on Florida Virtual or Mosaic, and this includes in the summer. Okay, so let's begin. Type your last name, first name, your student ID, which is your 562 number, your personal email address. And remember, if you do not check your school email, please give us your personal email address. But we want to ask you to begin to check your school email frequently, because we do send information out to each class on a regular basis. So if you're not checking your school email, you may be missing out on lots of opportunities. Next, give us your cell number. This could be your cell number or a parent cell number. Last, on this page, please let us know what your plans are after high school. You have lots of options here. You're going to university, college, and this could be any college. IRSC is a college, Palm Beach State is a college, trade school, military. If you're not sure yet, now we're going to start selecting our core classes. English class, you can see, has a red asterisk. That means you have to choose one of these classes. I'm going to choose ACE, English Literature, AS level. If you're not sure about which English class to take, please speak with your current English teacher and they will help guide you in the right direction. Next, math. As you can see, math courses are chosen by our administration. So unless you have completed Algebra 1 and Geometry, you will not have to choose a math class. If you have completed Algebra 1 and Geometry, you have several options. From Financial Algebra all the way to AP Calculus BC. And you can see there are prerequisites for some of the classes. I'm going to choose AP Calculus AB. Next, select your science class. As you can see, there's a red asterisk. There are lots of options for you. This year, your junior year should be your last credit. However, your senior year, you can still take science credit if you choose to. I'm going to choose AP Biology. Next, you're going to select your social studies class. And you can see there is another red asterisk, so that is required. You only have 3 options: U.S. History, U.S. History Honors, or ACE U.S. History. I'm going to choose U.S. History Honors. And then HOPE. HOPE is required for graduation, so if you've already completed HOPE, you can disregard. You can say already received the credit, or if you need to take HOPE, please check HOPE. I've already completed my HOPE my freshman year, so I will check that one and then hit the next button. Electives. As you already know, there is 1 credit required in a performing art category. Those are all indicated with an asterisk. Also, there is 2 years of foreign language, the same foreign language that's required, not for high school graduation, but for bright futures and if you plan on going to a 4-year university. You'll see the foreign language options available when you get ready to choose your electives down below. Please choose your electives wisely. Choose those that you think might help you prepare for your post-secondary plans. Also, when you choose your electives down bottom, you may not get one of them because if you have not passed the required reading test, you may have to be placed in a research class. So you're going to choose 4 electives and you're going to rank them 1st to 4th in order of priority. As you can see here, we have many electives available. Again, you may have to reference the curriculum guide to read the description of the course. So for Jazz Ensemble, there's director approval. That means our band director has to give you approval to take the class. He will also indicate the level of class that we will place you in. There's Acting 1, has an audition. So our acting teacher will, of course, contact you to arrange an audition. Drawing 1, it says must have completed 2D art. 2D Art is a prerequisite to take Drawing 1, so make sure you pay close attention to the prerequisite before you select a course. Scrolling down, we offer the foreign languages that I spoke about earlier. We offer Spanish 1 as a full year, Spanish 2 as a full year, and we also offer students Spanish 1 and 2 as a double block class, meaning you can finish your 2 years of foreign language requirement within 1 school year. And that equals 2 credits. Other courses, we have Game and Simulation Foundations. You see there, must have completed DIT. Scrolling down, we have classes from our Career Tech Education programs. Keep scrolling down. We have Leadership Skills Development. You see that one says Teacher Approval. That teacher will be contacting us to ensure that you are approved. Here are ACE classes. Of course, those are classes that require approval as well. And then we get to team sports. Team sports, from here on down, this is a list of all of our semester courses. So these are half credit. New this year at Centennial is African American History. And there's also an honors class as well. So as you can see, there are many, many options to choose from. And we just ask for you to choose 4, your top 4. So for me, I'm going to choose French 1. My second choice, I'm going to choose 2D Art. And third, I'm going to choose Culinary 1. And lastly, ROTC. After I've chosen my 4 electives, I'm going to click Submit. And there my registration is complete. Please ensure that you have submitted your course selections for next year's schedule by March 5th. If you have not done so by March 5th, your counselor will be making your schedule for you.